Hello friends, I am Abhishek. Between 27 and 2300 BC, the ancient Mesopotamians of Sumeria, now in Iraq, created a simple and fast calculating system using a tray of sand, like abundant beads addition and calculating utility system, which means abacus. What exactly is an abacus? What are the benefits of learning the abacus? What the role does an abacus play in mathematics? Is it okay for kids to use an abacus? Let us find out. What if you had no power, batteries, phone or computer and needed to perform a large calculation? You can use the time-tested flawless method of calculation, which is the abacus. An abacus is an ancient calculating instrument. Before the written Hindu-Arabic numeral system was adopted, the abacus was widely used in Europe, China and Russia. It comes in different designs. The modern abacus was invented in China around the 2nd century BC. However, the earliest evidence of an abacus-like device was found in Sumerian clay. Mesopotamia, also known as the Sumerian civilization, was one of the oldest civilizations in history. The Sumerians used this abacus to add and subtract. Archaeological evidence shows that the abacus was used in Greek during the 5th century BC. The Greek abacus was a wooden or marble frame made up of small metal counters. The Salamis tablet gets its name from the Greek island of Salamis, where it was discovered. The Chinese abacus is known as the Swan Pan, which translated to calculating tray. It is 20 centimeters long and contains more than 7 rods. The Russian abacus, known as the Skuti, has one single deck and 10 beads in each wire except one, which has 4 beads. This abacus is commonly used vertically from left to right. The abacus was extremely popular in ancient India. Vasubandhu, a Buddhist scholar and philosopher, mentions the use of Sunya or zero in his book Abhidharma Kosa Vatsya, which provide clear evidence of the abacus use. These are all about the history of the abacus. Now let us talk about the abacus basics and appearance. There were several types of abacus present, but the Japanese abacus or sorban was the most commonly used. It was imported from China in the 14th century. It has 4 beads on the bottom deck and one on the top deck. Each rod can represent any numbers between 0 and 9, totaling 10 numbers. The beads above the horizontal crossbar are known as heaven beads or upper beads, while the ones below are known as earth beads or lower beads. We must count or calculate by moving the beads up and down. We can also do addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division, but this is not suitable for advanced mathematical calculation. When we raise the lower beads, we add them, and when we lower them, we subtract them. But the upper beads are treated differently. The values of the upper beads is 5, but the value of the lower beads is 1 of each. When we drop the upper beads, we add. When we raise them, we subtract. When beads were tossed in the middle of the bar, the value was counted, and the rightmost rod was designed as 1 followed by tens and hundred. That's why the abacus is related to math. Let's talk about the advantages. Abacus education improved the skills of visualization, photographic memory, concentration, listening skills, memory speed, accuracy, creativity, self-confidence, and help the whole brain development. The last and the most important question is it good for children to use an abacus? Absolutely yes. And Abacus is a great tool for teaching children basic math. As a long-time Abacus teacher, I discovered that teaching Abacus to children aged 4 to 13 was more effective. Regular use of the Abacus helps children become faster at mental calculations. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos on this channel, including vlog and challenges in Nepali. Thank you so much.